Hello everyone, welcome back in lecture series on topic solid state. In last video we have studied clothes packing in 3 dimensions obtained by stacking square clothes packed layers, which gives a simple cubic structure that we have studied. Now today in this lecture we will study clothes packing in 3 dimensions obtained by stacking hexagonal clothes packed layers. So let us see what is meant by hexagonal clothes packing in 2 dimensions first. So in hexagonal clothes packing in 2 dimensions, spheres in the second row. See here, these are the rows of spheres arranged in 2 dimensions. And here the sphere of the second row is placed, these are the layers, here green colored spheres is the second row and pink color sphere is the first row. Now the sphere of the second row is placed in depression between the spheres of the first row. These are the two spheres touches each other and produces the depression, and depression produced between these or by these two spheres, in between this depression the sphere of the second layer is placed. Similarly, the depression between the spheres of the second row, the sphere of the third row is placed. So sphere of the third row is placed in the depression of the second row. In the same way, the sphere of the fourth row is placed in depression of the third row. So if you observe this, then the third row and first row are identical, and second row and fourth row are identical. So if you name this first row as A, then second row is B. Again third row is A. So every third row is identical in hexagonal clothes packing. And in hexagonal clothes packing, each sphere is surrounded by other 6 spheres, and hence coordination number is 6 in 2 dimensions. And you can also observe this empty space. Triangular spaces are there which are empty in hexagonal close packed structure. And these triangular spaces are of 2 types. One having apex in downward direction, another one having apex in upward direction or pointing in upward direction. And these two types of triangular spaces, these are arranged in alternate manner in hexagonal close packed structure in 2 dimensions. Now we will see the stacking of 2 hexagonal close packed layers. When 2 such a hexagonal close packed layers are placed over one another or stacked, then 2 different types of empty spaces are developed due to the arrangement, and these empty spaces are called as a tetrahedral void and octahedral void. So how these tetrahedral and octahedral voids are produced, that also we will study in this lecture. So see here, this is the first layer, layer A, which is shown by green color sphere, and the yellow colors, this is the second layer, hexagonal, both are the hexagonal layers. This is the first hexagonal layer shown by green sphere, and the yellow sphere shows the second hexagonal layer, which is named as a layer B, and first layer is named as a layer A. So in stacking of two hexagonal close packed layers, the spheres are placed in such a way that the sphere of the second layer, that is yellow sphere, these are placed in the depression of the first layer. So this is the depression. This blue color space is the depression of the first layer, like this. Here also this is the depression of the first layer, Now the sphere of the second layer, these are placed in the depression of the first layer, like this. And these are the triangular voids of the first layer. These are the triangular voids of the first layer. या सगळ्या triangular voids आहेत. ही ब्लू आहे, तशीच ही इथे व्हाईट आहे. These are the triangular voids of the first layer. And if you observe this, then all the triangular voids of the first layer, these are not covered by the spheres of the second layer. Here the blue color triangular voids are covered by the sphere of the second layer. But these white colored triangular voids of the first layer, these are not covered by the spheres of the second layer. So these are remain as it is. These holes, white holes. So such a type of two types of voids are formed when two hexagonal close packed layers are stacked or placed over one another. Now the triangular void that is covered by the sphere of the second layer. Here in this picture, these three spheres, blue color spheres, are the spheres of the first layer, and red color sphere is the sphere of the second layer. Now the triangular void produced by these three spheres of the first layer, that is covered by the sphere of the second layer, that empty space is known as what? Tetrahedral hole or tetrahedral void. So the triangular void that are covered by the sphere of the second layer generate tetrahedral hole, like this. And when you join the centers of all these four spheres, 3 from first layer, 1 from second layer, then we get what? A tetrahedron. Therefore it is called as a tetrahedral void. So tetrahedral void is surrounded by 4 spheres. By joining the centers of the 4 spheres, we get what? A tetrahedron, and that is called as a tetrahedral void, like this. These blue color spheres are the spheres of the first layer, and this yellow color sphere is the sphere of the second layer, and it is placed in the triangular void produced by the 3 spheres of the first layer over this, and therefore the empty space between these 4 spheres, that is called as a tetrahedral hole or tetrahedral void, like this. So the depression in which sphere of the second layer rests, sphere of this second layer, this is the first layer, this is the second, this is the depression. So depression in which sphere of the second layer rests, that is called as a tetrahedral void. And here when you join these centers of all these 4 spheres, 3 from the first layer, 1 from the second layer, we get what? A tetrahedron. Remember here that the shape of the void is not tetrahedron, but the arrangement around this void, around this the रिकाम्या स्पेसच्या बाजूची जी अरेंजमेंट आहे, the shape of the void is not tetrahedral, but the arrangement around this void is tetrahedral. And therefore the vacant space among the 4 spheres having tetrahedral arrangement is called tetrahedral hole or tetrahedral sides. So the vacant space among the 4 spheres, 3 from the first layer, 1 from the second layer, having tetrahedral arrangement is called tetrahedral hole or tetrahedral side. Now see here, the second holes which are not covered by the spheres of the second layer, that are called as octahedral voids. Here this is the first layer, grey color sphere shows first layer of hexagonal close packed layer, and here empty spaces, triangular spaces are there. When second layer is placed over this first layer, in depression of the first layer, then all the triangular voids of the first layer are not covered by the spheres of the second layer, and the triangular void which are not covered by the spheres of the second layer, that are called as a octahedral void. या पिक्चर मध्ये दिसतंय बघा, काही voids, triangular voids फर्स्ट लेयरच्या ह्या सेकंड लेयरच्या स्फिअरनी कव्हर केलेल्या नाही आहेत आणि त्या ज्या voids आहेत, ते जे voids आहेत किंवा एम्प्टी स्पेसेस आहेत त्यांना काय म्हणायचं, octahedral voids. How these are formed? The remaining triangular voids म्हणजे ज्या कव्हर केलेल्या नाही आहेत, so the remaining triangular voids of the first layer have the triangular voids of the second layer above them. ज्या ट्रायंग्युलर स्पेसेस कव्हर केलेल्या नाही आहेत त्याच्यावर काय येतात, सेकंड लेयरच्या पण ट्रायंग्युलर व्हॉइड्स येतात आणि या दोन्ही मिळून काय तयार होतं, ऑक्टाहेड्रल void like this. This is the triangular space of the second layer. Similarly, on back side there is a triangular space of the first layer. So both these triangular spaces of first layer and second layer, they form a hole that is called as an octahedral hole. So the overlapping triangular voids from the two layers together forms an octahedral void. An octahedral void, each octahedral void, it is surrounded by 6 spheres, 3 from the second layer and 3 from the first layer. And in between these 6 spheres, whatever empty space is there, that is called as an octahedral hole. When you join all the centers of all these 6 spheres, then we get what? Octahedron, like this. These are the 3 spheres from the second layer and these are the 3 spheres from the first layer. When you join these 2 spheres from the first layer and these 2 spheres from the second layer, this sphere which is remain on this side is joined to these 4 spheres, and the sphere which is on back side, it is also joined by these 4 spheres. If the centers of all these spheres are joined in such a way, then we get what? Octahedron, like this. And therefore these are called as a octahedral voids. So the depressions in which no sphere, here is a depression, no sphere rest are called octahedral voids. And this type of site is formed at the center of the 6 sphere. ह्या 6 स्पेअरच्या सेंटरला ती साईट फॉर्म होते, ऑक्टाहेड्रल void. And it is produced by 2 sets of equilateral triangle which points in opposite direction. And the void formed by the 2 equilateral triangle with apices in opposite direction is called octahedral void or octahedral hole. The void which is formed by these triangular equilateral triangles with apices in opposite direction is called octahedral void. याचे डिरेक्शन ज्या आहेत ट्रायंग्युलर व्हॉइडच्या, ट्रायंगल्स इक्विलॅटरल ट्रायंगल जे फॉर्म झालेले आहेत त्यांचे अपायसेस जे आहेत त्यांची डिरेक्शन काय आहे, अपोजिट आहे, आणि त्यामुळे हे होल तयार झाले आणि त्याला काय म्हणायचं, octahedral holes. So the void formed by two equilateral triangle with apices in opposite direction is called octahedral hole or octahedral sides. So thank you. We will see in next lecture the placing of the third layer over the second layer.